Noise of the past or rush of future. The art of being present.
Okay, so I'm gonna directly start with the question. Atre, why do you think most of us are not in the present?
So I think that हर एक इंडिविजुअल के एक अपने ड्रीम्स होते हैं that they are constantly chasing. So ideally that dream is always going to fulfill in the future. ठीक है. So they are always chasing that और वो future में ही रहते हैं उस वजह से and which ideally creates a distance from the present time, you know. अपने प्रेजेंट टाइम से फ्यूचर के बीच में एक डिस्टेंस हमेशा क्रिएट होता रहता है क्योंकि हम प्रेजेंट में रह के हमेशा फ्यूचर के बारे में सोच रहे हैं. सो दैट माइट बी द सोल रीजन अबाउट इट बिकॉज आई ऑल्सो डू द सेम. व्हाट डू यू थिंक, ऋत्विक?
I completely agree. I think either we are in the past or we are thinking constantly about the future. And it also comes from the unhappiness we have with our present circumstances, I feel. अगर हम लोग बहुत खुश है या फिर सारे ड्रीम्स फुलफिल हो गए तो it's easier to be in the present. But if you're constantly wanting something out of your life, then you are in the future, unfortunately. So my next question will be a follow-up to that. If you know that you need to change, have you taken any efforts to change this particular behavior of yours? Do you do anything to make sure that you are in present?
सो ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग मैंने अब तक कोई चेंज किया नहीं है बिकॉज आई एम कॉन्स्टेंटली chasing that chase to be what I want to be, right? And I am always hungry about something, which is not a bad thing. It is really good to be hungry for something you want to achieve in your life, but it is also good to value the things which you have in the present because वो भी कभी एक ड्रीम था तुम्हारे पास्ट में जो आज तुम जी रहे हो. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू मी आई शुड स्टार्ट टेकिंग एफर्ट्स फॉर दैट एंड अब तक तो मैंने लिया नहीं है, ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग. हैव यू टेकन, ऋत्विक?
Have I taken any efforts? I have tried meditation. Maybe that's a good way of bringing that change, but I don't think I'm really good at it. Meditation is also very, very hard. But do you remember any specific moments where you actually felt that you were in the present tense? Any like particular incident you remember?
सो येस, आई डू रिमेंबर दैट पर्टिकुलर मोमेंट एंड वो था मेरा फर्स्ट इंटरव्यू. ओके, आई हैव गिवन सो मैनी इंटरव्यूज बट दैट वॉज माई फर्स्ट इंटरव्यू एंड वहाँ पे जब मैं घुसा, द पॉइंट आई एंटर द रूम आई फेल्ट द प्रेजेंस ऑफ द हायर अथॉरिटीज़. वी आर जस्ट सिटिंग इन साइड रूम, बस वो है मेरे सामने, 3 जन है और मैं हूँ एंड द शीर साइलेंस ऑफ दैट particular moment. So I was shit scared that time because it was my first interview and it was my first moment of doing anything like that. And जैसे ही मैं अंदर गया, I started shivering. उस particular time पे I knew that भाई you are just here and the people in front of you are also here and you have to deal with it. And that is the time I felt really present.
Yeah, so I think the concluding point is that stress makes us be in the present. For me, I would say is that whenever I play with my, not mine, but there's this dog in my building. Whenever I play with her, I think, at the most present self because she really helps me to be in present. She's very spontaneous and you cannot think of anything else but about her. So I guess that's my present moment. So, do you think that overthinking leads to this problem that we are talking about?
So yeah, like as you can say, overthinking एक बहुत ही अलग concept है and you have two different parts of overthinking. The first part is like you're thinking about past on, and the second thing is you're overthinking about the future जिसके बारे में हम आज बात कर रहे हैं. So जो point मैंने पहले बोला था like constantly chasing that dream, so you are like freaking overthinking about that particular dream जो कि आपका future है. So overthinking का part इस चीज़ में आ जाता है indirectly, आपको क्या लगता है, ऋत्विक?
मुझे भी वही लगता है overthinking, and I would say more than overthinking, I would use the term daydreaming. I'm always imagining myself in different situations and different better circumstances throughout the day, जिसको daydreaming जो हम बोलते हैं. And I've read articles which says that daydreaming is actually good for your mental health. We'll talk about this maybe in detail in some other episode, but yeah, I think that works for me. Welcome to part 2 of this conversation. I'm going to ask a few more questions to Atreya, and then he's going to ask me too. Do you think your creativity helps you in being mindful?
Okay, yeah. So talking about creativity, I make music and this is a very big example of working with reference of your personal and real life. So if I think about a memory or something which has happened in the past, I write about it. Or maybe कुछ लोग ऐसा भी कर सकते, they think about a certain situation and they like make an imaginary music or make an imaginary instance of that song. सो मेरे लिए इस चीज़ को अगर मैं अपने क्रिएटिविटी से कनेक्ट कर रहा हूँ टू बीइंग माइंडफुल इन दैट प्रेजेंट सिचुएशन, इट इज़ नॉट much relatable for me because I have always dealing with the past while creating music. So मेरे लिए ये अपने past को cater करना ज़्यादा हो जाता है instead of being present.
Right. So for your music, you're constantly living in the past. You're saying
Yeah.
that. So
What is your take on this?
So I think whenever I'm auditioning for stuff, I do think I'm being present, very present, because I'm constantly thinking about how I'm going to make this scene work. So at that time, I don't think I'm thinking about anything else but the dialogues that are given to me. But I'm also thinking, even while shooting and even while recording the audition, I'm also thinking, oh shit, I have to say my next dialogue. I think that also goes in your head. Or I cannot miss my point. I cannot miss my mark. I cannot give bad facing to the camera. So you're constantly thinking about other things as well. Sometimes there's some cooker ka noise in background. Sometimes there's noise in the background, so that also affects it. So you're constantly thinking that I don't want to mess this up. So I don't think I'm completely present, but I feel creativity in general helps you be mindful. Okay. Do you think social media has affected our ability to stay present?
So I think social media has distracted us a lot because जो भी reels हम लोग देखते हैं, stories देखते हैं लोगों की, it always makes and creates a distance, जिसके बारे में मैंने पहले भी बात किया है. So social media use करना is always like equivalent to be far and really far away from your present, because in social media it is always something out of reality. लोग the मोस्ट एडिटेड पिक्चर्स, बेस्ट पोजेस, या हर चीज़ को सबसे ज़्यादा ग्लोरीफाई करके दे पोस्ट द थिंग इन सोशल मीडिया विच वी कंज्यूम ऑन अ डेली बेसिस फॉर आवर्स एंड आवर्स. ओके, सो ये तो बहुत ही बड़ा एग्जाम्पल है विच टेक्स यू फार अवे फ्रॉम बीइंग प्रेजेंट. आई थिंक यू वुड फील द सेम अबाउट इट, और यू थिंक समथिंग एल्स.
No, even I feel कि social media की वजह से distraction तो बहुत होता है. And I would say that we do live in present. ऐसा नहीं है कि social media के वजह से we are constantly in the future or something, but we are thinking about others more than ourselves. But we are thinking about them in the present. So I don't think इतना affect होता है personally. I tend to disagree with this. Distract होते हैं लेकिन present में ही रहते हैं हम लोग. It's just that we are not utilizing the time that we have, the present that we have. That's what I believe. Okay. This one is one of my favorite questions. How do you personally balance documenting moments versus living them? So, to simplify this, I think it's basically asking us, do you think that when we are documenting certain stuff from our lives, we are actually not living the present? We are actually not living the moments.
या सो लाइक एट द एंड ऑफ दिस पॉडकास्ट मैं ऑलवेज नेगेटिव साइड में होऊंगा इस चीज़ के, बिकॉज आई विल गिव अप लाइक पर्सनल इंस्टेंस अबाउट इट. सो जब भी हम घूमने जाते हैं या कहीं पे भी जाते हैं, इवन इन द रोड्स और लाइक समथिंग ब्यूटीफुल हम जब देखते हैं हमारे आंखों के सामने, टिपिकली मैं उस चीज़ का फ़ोटो निकालता हूँ, वीडियो बनाता हूँ. सो आई ऑलवेज लाइक डू दिस बिकॉज मैं उस चीज़ को कैप्चर करने में ज़्यादा सोचता हूँ, एंड उस चीज़ को अपने पास कैसे रख लूँ हमेशा के लिए, अपने फ़ोन में या अपने कैमरा में या किसी भी तरीके से उस चीज़ को मैं ज़्यादा प्रायोरिटी देता हूँ टू कैप्चर इट इन द बेस्ट पॉसिबल वे, टू हाईलाइट इट इन द बेस्ट पॉसिबल वे. एंड आफ्टर दैट आई गो होम एंड आई लुक एट दोज पिक्चर्स और आई लुक एट दोज वीडियोज़, एंड मैं देखता हूँ उस चीज़ों को कि अरे वाह, ये तो बहुत मैंने मस्त निकाला. आई विल पुट अ स्टोरी, आई विल यूज़ दिस सॉन्ग ऑन इट, आई विल यूज़ दिस कैप्शन ऑन दिस फोटो. सो रियल टाइम से मैं थोड़ा पीछे छूट जाता हूँ इस चीज़ में. सो
You live those moments through those pictures. So basically, you're living in the past.
सो या टिपिकली देखें तो हम इस चीज़ को ऐसे भी डिफाइन कर सकते हैं कि आई एम लिविंग इन द पास्ट थ्रू यू नो कैप्चरिंग दोज पिक्चर इन दैट प्रेजेंट मोमेंट, क्योंकि घर जाके हम इसे देख रहे हैं एंड माइंडफुलनेस से तो हम दूर ही जा रहे हैं उस चीज़ से.
So I think I've asked this question before, but थोड़ा सा framing अलग है इसका. What small daily habits help you stay grounded and aware every day? Every day अगर कोई ऐसी चीज़ें हैं छोटी छोटी which you think can help you be more mindful. Meditation, I won't say every day because I don't think that's possible for me. I mean, there are some people who do it daily, but I would say even there are some tricks, I guess, of breathing techniques which help you be in present. Whenever I'm anxiety or I'm really stressed, I do take deep long breaths. So I think that also helps you in being present. Yeah. I guess tapping yourself, or maybe there's this thing that people do nowadays is smell, uh, vision. I think what they can see, if they can feel something, they can smell something, they can touch something. I think that brings you back immediately to your presence. I think that is also one of the techniques. वो immediately मैंने दो बार बोला.
बीच में तो बोल रहे हैं अभी, मैं नहीं कर सकता था,
Immediately
नहीं कर सकता,
मैंने दो
और ये भी नहीं कर सकता था. मैं नॉर्मल एडिट करता हूँ
नहीं नहीं करता है. ठीक है चलो.
एंड आई विल कीप दिस इन द वीडियो. I will. I will. I freaking will. So, मैं क्या ऐड करना चाहता था इस पॉइंट में, दैट वी आर लिविंग इन आवर प्रेजेंट थ्रू आवर सबकॉन्शियस. ओके, सो इफ़ यू आर डूइंग समथिंग, फॉर एग्जांपल इफ़ यू आर डूइंग अ वर्क, हमारे ऑफिस में हम जब काम करते हैं, वी आर सिटिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ आवर लैपटॉप, वी आर ऑलवेज इन आवर सबकॉन्शियस माइंड कि यू नो लंच टाइम हो जाएगा, वी हैव टू गो टू ईट लंच, या कब ऑफिस छूटेगा, हम लोग बस पकड़ेंगे, ट्रेन पकड़ेंगे, घर जाएंगे, कब टाइम हो जाए. वी आर लाइक ऑलवेज थिंकिंग दैट इन आवर सबकॉन्शियस. सो सबकॉन्शियस ऑल्सो प्लेज दैट रोल कि हमें उस चीज़ से बाहर आना चाहिए, बिकॉज सबकॉन्शियस इज ऑल्सो ड्वेलिंग यू अवे फ्रॉम योर प्रेजेंट, है ना.
Yeah, I agree.
So I always think that you have to be out of your subconscious mind and try to be present without thinking of it. You know, you have to just be and nothing else. So yeah guys, this was our take in this topic, and I hope you guys liked it. And I don't think so we were ourselves present in this particular moment. What do you think?
We tried, I guess, in certain moments we were, but mostly we were thinking about people around us
Yeah.
because there were a lot of gate crashers in our video. So I hope you guys like the video, and we'll come back with episode 4.
I really hope.
Yeah, 4 very soon.
We ourselves are confused, but yeah.
Yeah, because we are not sure if this is going to be our second or third, but we'll let you know soon.
Yeah.
So also do hear us on Spotify.
The first episode is live on Spotify. 2 Kids and 1,000 Thoughts. Keep watching, keep listening. Thank you.
Bye.